Imagine a world in 2050 where robots are everywhere. They're not just in factories, but in our homes, schools, and hospitals. This is the future we might face as artificial intelligence, or AI, rapidly evolves. The question is, will robots rule our world? And what will happen to humans? This isn't just science fiction, it's a question we need to consider now. Understanding AI and its potential impact is crucial for shaping the future. We need to be prepared for the changes AI will bring to our lives, our jobs, and our very understanding of what it means to be human. Artificial intelligence might seem like something out of a movie, conjuring images of advanced robots and futuristic cities, but the reality is, AI is no longer just a concept reserved for science fiction or distant futures. It's already here, woven into the fabric of our everyday experiences, often in ways we don't even notice. From the moment we wake up and check our phones, to the time we unwind in the evening, AI is quietly working behind the scenes. It's already part of our daily lives, shaping how we communicate, work, and relax. We interact with AI more than we realize. Whether it's facial recognition unlocking our devices, or self-checkout kiosks making shopping faster, these technologies are powered by complex algorithms that learn and adapt to our habits. Think about virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa. These digital helpers are always ready to answer questions, set reminders, or play your favorite music, all thanks to AI. They use AI to understand our questions and follow our commands, learning from every interaction to become even more helpful over time. Smart homes are another example. Today, we can control our lights, security systems, and even our coffee makers with just a few taps or voice commands. These systems use AI to control temperature, lighting, and appliances, learning our preferences and making our lives easier, more comfortable, and even more energy efficient. Even in industries like manufacturing and healthcare, robots and AI systems are changing how we work and receive care. In factories, robots assemble products with precision, while in hospitals, AI assists doctors in diagnosing illnesses and performing surgeries. These examples are just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, it's finding its way into more aspects of our lives, from transportation to entertainment and beyond. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more integration into our daily routines, making tasks simpler and opening up new possibilities we haven't even imagined yet. But is this always a good thing? As we welcome AI into our homes and workplaces, it's important to consider how it shapes our lives and what kind of future we want to create alongside these intelligent machines. One of the biggest concerns about AI is its potential impact on jobs. As machines become more intelligent, they can perform tasks previously done by humans. This could lead to significant job displacement in various industries. Imagine robots working in factories, driving trucks, or even performing surgeries. While this could increase efficiency and productivity, it also raises concerns about unemployment and economic inequality. The future of work in an AI-driven world is uncertain. Some experts believe new jobs will emerge, requiring skills humans possess like creativity and emotional intelligence. Others worry about the social and economic consequences of mass unemployment. Now let's imagine a typical day in the year 2050. The world looks very different from today, shaped by decades of rapid technological progress and the ever-growing influence of artificial intelligence. Cities gleam with innovation, and life seems more efficient than ever before. You wake up in your smart home, where AI has already adjusted the temperature to your ideal comfort level, even before you open your eyes. The lighting, music, and even the scent in your room are tailored to your mood and schedule, all orchestrated by invisible algorithms working in the background. In the kitchen, a robotic arm prepares your breakfast, taking into account your health goals, allergies, and even your calendar for the day. The meal is not just nutritious, but also designed to boost your energy and focus thanks to data collected from your wearable devices. Your self-driving car is waiting outside, ready to take you wherever you need to go. As you settle in, you catch up on the news, which is curated by AI to match your interests and values. The car navigates busy city streets with ease, freeing you to read, relax, or even video chat with friends. At work, AI is your constant collaborator. It helps you tackle complex problems, analyzes vast amounts of data in seconds, and schedules meetings with colleagues around the world. Your productivity soars, and routine tasks are handled automatically, giving you more time to focus on creative projects. In your free time, AI recommends books, movies, and even potential romantic partners, all based on your unique preferences and past choices. Entertainment and social connections are just a voice command away, making life feel effortless and personalized. This all sounds incredibly convenient, doesn't it? The promise of AI is a world where everything is easier, faster, and more enjoyable. But beneath the surface, this reliance on AI raises important questions. Are we trading our independence for comfort? What are we giving up in exchange for this seamless existence? Are we becoming too dependent on machines to make decisions for us, to think for us, and even to feel for us? As technology takes over more aspects of our lives, where do we draw the line between help and control? What happens when AI makes mistakes, or when our most personal data is misused or falls into the wrong hands? The risks of error, bias, and privacy breaches grow as we hand over more control to algorithms. The convenience of AI could come at the cost of our privacy, our autonomy, and even our ability to think critically. As we move toward this future, we must ask ourselves, are we building a utopia, or are we stepping into a new kind of dystopia? The impact of AI extends far beyond our homes and workplaces. It has the potential to reshape entire societies, governments, and even the laws we live by. Imagine AI systems making decisions about healthcare, criminal justice, and resource allocation. In a world increasingly reliant on AI, we must consider the ethical and societal implications. Who is responsible when an AI system makes a mistake with significant consequences? How do we ensure fairness and prevent bias in AI algorithms that make life-altering decisions? These questions require careful consideration and debate. We need to establish clear ethical guidelines and regulations for developing and deploying AI, ensuring it serves humanity's best interests. One of the most pressing questions surrounding AI is whether we can trust machines to make moral decisions. Can an algorithm truly understand the complexities of human values, ethics, and emotions? Imagine an autonomous vehicle facing a moral dilemma in an unavoidable accident scenario. Should it prioritize the passenger's safety or minimize overall harm, even if it means sacrificing the passengers? These are complex ethical questions with no easy answers. As we delegate more decision-making power to AI, we need to ensure these systems are aligned with our values and capable of making morally sound judgments. The rise of AI challenges our understanding of what it means to be human. As artificial intelligence becomes more advanced, it forces us to reflect on our unique qualities, our creativity, empathy, and ability to dream. We are entering an era where machines can not only process information faster than us, but also learn, adapt, and even create in ways that were once thought to be exclusively human. If machines can perform most tasks we do today, what will our purpose be? Will we redefine our roles or risk losing our sense of meaning? These questions are at the heart of our evolving relationship with technology, and they demand thoughtful consideration from each of us. Some believe AI will free us from mundane tasks, allowing us to focus on creativity, relationships, and self-discovery. Imagine a world where we have more time to pursue passions, connect with loved ones, and explore new ideas, while intelligent machines handle repetitive chores and complex calculations. Others fear AI could lead to a devaluing of human skills and a loss of purpose. There are concerns about job displacement, widening inequality, and the possibility that our identities could be diminished as machines take over roles we once held dear. The future will likely involve a complex interplay between humans and AI. Rather than replacing us, AI could become a powerful partner, helping us solve problems, unlock new opportunities, and push the boundaries of what's possible. We need to adapt, learn new skills, and find ways to remain relevant in an AI-driven world. Lifelong learning, curiosity, and flexibility will be essential as we navigate this rapidly changing landscape. The key question is, how can we ensure a future where both humans and AI can thrive? By embracing collaboration and fostering innovation, we can create a society where technology enhances our lives rather than diminishes them. This requires careful planning, open dialogue, and a commitment to shaping a future that benefits all of humanity. By working together, we can find our place in an AI-powered world and ensure that progress serves the greater good.